Alright, my tinkle top peeps. If you want to trick yourself, make you feel like you eat healthy but yet unhealthy. So anyways, join for some of my Caesar salad with French fried chicken breast. And here we have a carrot, bell pepper, tomato, and of course our regular lettuce and some French fried chicken. And we are going to use, of course, with classic Caesar dressing. So first, we are going to slice up with lettuce. Yes, lettuce. Next, slice your bell peppers as thin as you can because it's a salad, but the knife is a bit dull, but I'm making do with it. Anyways, let's draw for the kitchen bitch. Yes, the kitchen bitch, because this knife is moving like a housewife. So let's get a kitchen bitch. Here we go. Yep, as fine as you can, guys. And this this salad can be served also in a tortilla wrap or even with a roti, you know. But it is great if you ever want to eat unhealthy and healthy then. And here we're shredding some carrots. Yep. Anyways, I'm not rhyme tonight, you know, because from the other day I rhyme on it now. Orange rhyme and a rhyme. Yeah, man. Anyways, my peeps. Yep. So next we are gonna add all of this into a bowl. Yes, with lettuce, shredded carrot, fine thin sliced bell peppers, and of course tomato. Now I wonder how me I take it up. So yes, my finger clean, always clean. I'm not finger that thing there either. Yeah. Anyway, slice up with chicken breast. Yep. We are slice it up, nice it up, dice it up. Now we finish slice this. We are gonna add this to our veggies. This is it. And when the French fried chicken, what it does is it gives the salad a nice crunch. So even with all that dressing and the moisture from the vegetable, you still get that crunch in a salad, yeah? So next we're gonna add our Caesar dressing. And this is my classic Caesar salad with French fried chicken breast. Enjoy. Yep. This can also be served too, as you know, a sandwich filling. Yeah. So if you're interested in the recipe, link me up and I'll give you guys the ingredients. I don't know what they come for doing, or teach, not beat. Yep. Here we have it. Finger licking good, yeah.